you can print the recipe from our website. There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings. For your convenience, captions are also available in several other languages. Take 1 leg of lamb and make deep cuts all over. Take half a cup of lemon juice and add 3 tablespoons of salt to it. Cover the leg thoroughly with lemon juice and salt. Leave to marinate for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take 1½ cup of yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons Indian spice mix. Add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds powder. Mix thoroughly. Cover thoroughly with the paste. Ensure all cuts are also covered. Wrap in aluminum foil and seal the edges. Preheat the oven. Leave in the oven for 2 hours. After 2 hours, drain the juices in a pot. Turn the leg over. Reseal and put in the oven for another 2 hours. Remove after 2 hours. Mix 2½ tablespoons of corn flour in half a cup of water. Heat the gravy recovered from the roast. Bring to a boil. Add the corn flour mixture, pouring slowly and stirring. Boil a little to thicken as desired. Use the prepared gravy with the roast and enjoy.